Asus TUF Gaming AX5400 Review. It may not have Asus over-the-top styling of its Rapture routers, but Asus TUF Gaming AX5450 certainly looks like a gaming Wi-Fi hub, with a chunky angular design and an assortment of 6 separate antennas that help to provide a fast, stable wireless connection. Asus has included an integrated wireless AC card so that you can use its new router without needing to plug anything into the back of the device. And if you want to connect 2 devices at once, you can aggregate the WAN port with any of the 4 LAN ports. One of the Ethernet NICs is also assigned as the gaming NIC and has priority over the other Ethernet NICs to ensure that your gaming PC always receives the highest possible bandwidth. If you need even faster speeds, you can aggregate the gaming NIC with another Ethernet NIC to achieve up to 2 gigabits per second throughput. There is also a USB 3.0 Type A connector for connecting external peripherals so that you can share them with other users on your local network. To get started, you just need to download the Asus Router app for iOS or Android from Google Play or the App Store. You then scan a QR code in the app to connect to the TUF's router's Wi-Fi signal. Once connected, you'll be prompted to enter a default username and passcode for the router. The router app is good, but there are some drawbacks. It doesn't give you the option of setting up 2 separate networks on different frequency bands, nor does it allow you to combine both frequencies into one. It also lacks an overview of the bandwidth used by each device connected to your Wi-Fi. Finally, the quality of service feature isn't available. With NetNanny, parents can set up schedules for their children's internet access, and they can choose filters for adult content and unsuitable material. They can also manage the child's browser via an easy-to-use graphical user interface. The Asus TUF AX5400 router performs just fine too, easily managing Steam downloads and gaming sessions at our 100 megabits per second business broadband connection. Our normal broadband router handles full speeds when connected to nearby computers, reaching up to 100 megabits per second using the UCLA test, and 12.6 megabytes per second for Steam downloads. We were expecting the Asus TUF Gaming AX5400 router to match those speeds when connected to nearby wireless routers, but we also had an office in the back where the old Wi-Fi router struggled to connect, so we needed to force me to rely on powerline adapters to provide a wired network for my office Mac. However, the Asus RT-AC5300 router wins hands down here, easily maintaining 100 megabits per second in the speed test intelligence tests and 12.5 megabits per second on both the 2.40 GHz and 5.00 GHz bands. That will make an excellent choice for gaming enthusiasts who want to boost their wireless speeds.